Okay, the ranking order for correlation of these graphs would be graph number 3 is the strongest correlation, graph number 1 is the next strongest correlation, graph number 4 has the next strongest correlation, and the second graph has the weakest correlation. Now think about this with me for just a second. Think about why this is. What we're going to do is we're going to measure a couple of points in our graph. Take a look at our strongest correlating graph. You see, if we go over to any given point, we come down at about the same place on the horizontal axis, on the x-axis. The y-axis and the x-axis values are roughly the same for each point. They're pretty close together. They're a match. And now notice that in our weakest correlated graph, that if we go to any given point, wow, we're kind of all over the place, right? I mean, we have a relatively high height for twin 2 here, but that point goes down to a relatively low height for twin 1, so that wasn't a very high match. We do the same thing here. We had a lower height for twin 2 and a really high height for twin 1 at that point. So these are not correlating very well, and this is the graphical representation of that. If you have any trouble, you should definitely check out the Udacity course on statistics, co-taught by Katie Cormanick, and also go to the discussion forums for this video and see if you can get some advice or help from your classmates.